Mom said the bus is late. Harry! The bus is here! You lied to me!
Coach canceled practice today. He told me this morning. Then I'll go home early.
You lied to Leo.
Relax. It's not serious.
You should see your faces. Got you, Grandpa.
Harry, I'm in here. Open the door.
Mom said the bus is late. How late?
About 30 minutes.
Great! I can finish breakfast. Harry! The bus is here!
Maybe it came early. Why is Issa running outside? The bus came early.
The bus is exactly on time. You lied to me!
It was just a joke.
I almost missed the bus. But you didn't.
Coach canceled practice today. Really? He didn't message us. He told me this morning. Then I'll go home early.
Why did Leo leave?
Soccer practice was canceled.
Harry, practice starts at 4.
You lied to Leo.
He'll figure it out.
Then tell him now.
Relax. It's not serious.
I'll message him myself.
Isa, don't. He brought everything for practice.
Done.
You ruin every good joke.
That wasn't a good joke. Oh, no.
What happened here? Godzilla knocked over my juice. Godzilla was outside. He came inside before you. The door is still locked. Did Godzilla really do this?
Maybe I bumped the table. Maybe?
Fine. I bumped it. Clean it up, please.
Why lie about something so small? It was easier, only for 5 seconds. Harry, don't!
I haven't done anything.
I know that face. Dad! There's a snake!
Where?
Behind the toolbox. Nobody touch it.
You should see your faces.
This isn't funny, Harry.
Nobody got hurt.
We stopped everything for you.
I told you not to do it.
Everyone takes everything too seriously.
The problem isn't the snake. The problem is believing you.
Harry, keep the ball outside.
I will, Grandpa. Grandpa! Help! I'm stuck inside!
Harry, where are you?
Got you, Grandpa!
Harry, I'm in here. Open the door.
The handle broke.
Please hurry! I'm stuck in here! The handle came off!
I'll be right back. Dad, Grandpa needs help.
Harry, what happened this time?
Grandpa is trapped in the shed.
Is this another joke?
No, the handle broke. Where did you get that? From the shed door.
Harry, yesterday you invented a snake.
I know, but I'm not lying. Dad, please. Harry, did you see Grandpa enter? Yes. Then the door slammed. And you heard him inside? Yes. Please come with me. I'm gonna check.
Isa, wait.
Grandpa, I'm back! Grandpa really is inside. I told everyone. Stay here. I'll get Dad. Dad, Harry told the truth.
Show me the door.
Stand away from the door, Miro.
I'm clear.
Are you all right?
I'm fine. Just annoyed.
Nobody believed me
Why didn't they believe you?
because I kept lying. Thanks for checking, Isa. I almost didn't. I wouldn't blame you. Grandpa, you forgot these.
Thank you, Harry.
Harry?
Are those really my gloves?
Yes,
Really?
I guess I earned that question. Is the bus late today? I don't know. You could invent an answer.
I could. But I'd rather tell the truth.
That part is definitely true. Come on, we're already late.
Your grandmother is waiting inside.
I want to call her first.
Her phone is dead. Come with me.
Mom, answer, please.
Harry? What's wrong?
Someone lied to Isa. I think she's in danger. Why are you putting on your shoes? Grandma asked me to do something. What does she need? It's a surprise for Mom.
Grandma usually calls us.
She sent me a message.
From her normal number?
No. She said her phone stopped working.
That sounds strange. It's Grandma. She knows Mom's birthday. Lots of people can know that.
She also knows Grandma calls me Little Bird.
Did you call her?
No. It would ruin the surprise.
What exactly did she ask? Pick up a gift bag on Green Street.
Alone? It's only 10 minutes away. Mom said we should stay home. I'll be back before she notices. Isa, wait. Stop worrying. It's really Grandma. I still don't like this. Then don't tell Mom, please.
I'm not promising that.
$84. That's almost here.
Why would Grandma send her here? I should call Mom. First, I need to see what's happening.
84. This should be it.
Go to the side door. Why?
Grandma should be here.
That car was already waiting.
Isa,
Yes?
your grandmother sent me.
Where is she?
In the car. She hurt her ankle.
She didn't tell me that.
She didn't want you to worry.
Come on. She's waiting.
I want to call her first.
Her phone is dead. That's why she used mine.
Mom, answer. Please.
Harry? What's wrong?
Isa left the house. I followed her.
She did what?
Someone messaged her pretending to be Grandma.
Where are you?
Green Street, number 84.
Can you see Isa?
Yes. A man is talking to her.
Do not go near him. James! Get the car keys.
What happened?
He took the car. I don't know where he's going. Someone has Isa on Green Street.
Harry, stay where you can see her.
He's pointing toward a gray car.
Don't confront him. Keep talking to us.
I'm sending my location now.
Got it. We're coming.
Come on, your grandmother is waiting.
I said I'm calling her first.
Isa, stop making this difficult.
I don't know you.
Your grandmother knows me.
Then tell me her last name.
We don't have time for questions.
I'm not going with you.
Just get in the car.
No! Stay away from me! Isa! Come this way! Harry? Run!
Hey, come back.
How did you find me? I followed you. Keep running. Mom, he's following us now.
Keep moving toward the main street.
We're turning onto Green Street now.
He's still coming. Huh? That's Dad.
Get in, both of you. Isa, inside.
Everyone inside?
Yes.
He's going back to his car.
Don't follow him.
I took a picture of the car.
Good.
Yeah.
And don't send it anywhere.
Are you hurt?
No, he never touched me.
What happened?
I thought Grandma sent the messages. I told her the number looked strange. I thought he was just worrying.
Why did you believe the messages?
They knew Mom's birthday.
That information isn't secret.
They knew Grandma's nickname for me. That's why Isa thought it was real.
Personal information doesn't prove identity.
I should have called Grandma.
I should have called you earlier too.
Why didn't you? I wanted to see where Isa was going.
Following her alone was dangerous.
I know. But he came after me.
I wasn't leaving you there.
You helped your sister. But next time, call us immediately. I will.
Hello? Julie, is everything okay?
Grandma, is that really you?
Isa, Julie told me what happened.
You didn't ask me to get a gift?
No. I never sent that message.
It sounded like you.
Tell me, what did they know about us?
They knew Mom's birthday and my nickname.
Someone can learn personal information.
That's why the message felt real.
And that's why you always verify.
I should have listened to my brother. And I should have called Mom sooner.
Then both of you learned something.
No secret trips.
And no following dangerous situations alone.
Those are good rules for both of you.
Grandma sent another message. From which number? Her real one. Are you sure? I'm checking.
Hello again?
Did you invite us for dinner?
Yes. This message is really mine.
Good. We're checking first now.
every time.
I think that's a good idea.
Ready?
Ready.
This time, we all go together.